Hi friends in the fight, thank you so much for agreeing to be a part of this. We are thrilled to launch the Mighty Pack, which I've been using and testing for the better half of the year. So we're so excited to get your input on this and share this with your followers. I'm going to go through with you how the bag works and how you can customize it for your needs. So really the secret sauce with this backpack is the hidden medical compartment. Ta-da! So I personally use this backpack when I'm traveling with my medical supplies, but then also when I'm hooked up for about 2 to 3 days for IVIG. So first I'll show you the features, which are also applicable for someone who is tube fed or needs to hook up other IV medication. If you can see the detailing here on the bag, this is actually so sharps and needles can't come through. And if you did have sharps or needles, you could keep them separate and making sure everything is super easy to clean. So we know everyone has different size pumps, if you have one at all. So that's why we made it Velcro. So it fits multiple sizes of pump. So you'll just hook it up on whatever side's comfortable for you, Velcro it in place. And then you can see actually behind each flap, you can keep an ice pack if you need to keep any of your medications cold while you're traveling. So what I love about this bag is we have hooks on both sides. They're actually snaps, pretty easy to open. So what you can do is find the side that's comfortable for you, place the IV in, and then you'll just snap it through. You do have to take a quick look on that. So then if you do have this mess of tubing, like I always do, we wanted to make sure you could access it while you're wearing the bag. So using these easy open loops, so if you do have any challenges with dexterity, what we want to do is make sure that you could pass the tubing easily through. So if you are connecting to a PICC line, port, feeding tube, it's really easy to do. And while you're not using any of the tubing, all of this is for demo by the way, make sure to keep everything sterile. You can just wrap up your extra tubing when you're not using it and snap it at the top. And then in my pockets, I'll keep things like flushes, extra needles if I need them in here, an extra port needle, kind of like whatever I need. So we hope you love this bag. We can't wait to see the videos that you create, and I'm looking forward to being your friend in the fight. Thanks.